Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update the software and OS of your OnePlus Watch 2, OnePlus Watch 2R or any of the OnePlus smartwatch. So here we go. So to update the software and OS of your OnePlus Watch 2 or whatever OnePlus smartwatch you got, you have to go to the settings. After that, scroll down. Go to the system updates, just tap on this. So you can see that a software update is available for my OnePlus Watch 2, but it is asking me to connect the charger with my smartwatch to install the update. So now my watch is charging, as you can see here. And the software downloading is started on my OnePlus Watch 2. So the package is downloaded and it is being verified and installed, and as you can see I need to restart my smartwatch to install this update. So I just need to tap on this tick mark. Now the device will reboot and you can see Wear OS system update is being installed now. So here we go, the device rebooted and the software update is installed. Device is just restarting fully after the software update. And here we go. So the whole process is completed on our OnePlus Watch 2 here. So this is how you can update the software and OS, the Wear OS of your OnePlus Watch 2, OnePlus Watch 2R, OnePlus Watch 3 or whatever OnePlus watch you are going to get in the future. All you have to do is go to the settings and go to the system updates, and it will start checking whether any software update is available for your device or not. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.